The quintessential small-town community of Peterborough, New Hampshire was incorporated in 1760. Its downtown has long been recognized as an important historic area, with the Main Street crossing over the Kentucky River a significant component of that history. In 2011, the Peterborough downtown area was evaluated and recognized as a historic district eligible for listing on the National Register of Historic Places. This historic district encompasses approximately 175 acres and nearly 300 buildings and structures, somewhat geographically centered around the Main Street Bridge. The most recent historic Main Street Bridge was constructed in 1940 as a replacement for the prior bridge that was constructed in 1842. The 1940 replacement bridge was designed by New Hampshire highway engineer John H. Wells as a concrete rigid frame structure with an arch effect and stone facing designed to mimic the style of the 1842 structure. This location is believed to have had a bridge crossing in place as early as 1755. In 2009, the historic bridge was determined to be deteriorated beyond the point where repairs could be made, and a new replacement bridge was needed. So what do you do when you have a historic bridge in the middle of a historic district that needs to be replaced? You plan. Replacing this significant bridge would need careful consideration and planning to ensure that the district and surrounding historic properties were preserved and protected during the replacement process. The new bridge also needed to be designed in such a way that it would not compromise the charm and aesthetic of the district's setting. Additionally, important components of the historic district that are located within the general work area of the project that were afforded special consideration include: the brick block building, located on Concord Street, is a block of 4 attached 2.5-story brick houses built in the late Federal, early Greek Revival style in 1830 and 1831. This block is the only example of a brick row in the town of Peterborough. The Peterborough Town Library, constructed in 1892 at the corner of Main Street and US Route 202. This well-preserved facility is one of the oldest functioning public libraries in the state of New Hampshire. It is a great example of work from local resident George Shattuck Morrison, who is nationally known for his innovative designs. The Transcript Dam, a timber and stone masonry structure bisecting the Kentucky River. It was originally built in 1925 at the site of an earlier gristmill dam built in 1829. Historically, the dam operated in the 1920s and 1930s to power the Transcript Printing Company on the west side of the river. In addition, the existing boulder retaining wall along the east side of the Kentucky River, reconstructed adjacent to US Route 202, is representative of roadway improvements completed in the late 19th and early 20th century. A stone canal running under Main Street, located in the northwest wing wall of the bridge, was originally constructed as part of the grist mill located here. The stone canal now serves as a component of the stormwater drainage system for the downtown area. Coordination with multiple partners was completed over several years to determine the best path forward for the project, including the citizens of Peterborough, the Peterborough Heritage Commission, and state and federal agencies. As a result, the replacement bridge was designed to match the visual style of the 1940 bridge as much as possible. The stone masonry facing that was used to face the arch of the original bridge was carefully removed and stored for placement on the arch of the new bridge, and the granite top slabs from the canal were removed and stockpiled with plans to be reused by the town to create a future walkway outlining the location of the historic canal system. Vibration monitoring occurred within adjacent buildings, including the Peterborough Town Library and brick block buildings, as a protective measure during construction. The stone retaining wall along US Route 202 was rebuilt utilizing salvaged existing stones and boulders, and new stones matched to the same look and shape of the original. In March of 2020, construction of Peterborough's new Main Street Bridge began and continued over the course of 2 years, with completion in October of 2022. This construction period overlapped with the COVID pandemic and several extreme weather events. resulting in challenges of supply chains, staffing, and logistics. Despite these challenges, the bridge replacement and the reconstruction of the retaining wall has been seen as an example of a successful project within a historic district, a testament to the town of Peterborough's commitment to safeguarding its historic resources. The bridge will continue to be enjoyed by the citizens that live and work in the area, as well as the many visitors that come to visit this quintessential New England community.